హాయ్ టు ఆల్. ఈ సంవత్సరం మనం 10th క్లాస్ బిట్ పేపర్ని ఒకసారి చూద్దాము. అరేంజ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇన్ క్రోనలాజికల్ ఆర్డర్. 1. పార్టిషన్ ఆఫ్ ది కంట్రీ. 2. క్విట్ ఇండియా మూవ్మెంట్. 3. గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా యాక్ట్. 4. ఫస్ట్ వరల్డ్ వార్. ఆప్షన్స్ ఏ 1, 2, 3, 4. బి 2, 3, 1, 4. C 4, 2, 3, 1. D 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer D 4, 3, 2, 1. First World War, Government of India Act, Quit India Movement, Partition of the country. Mining comes under this sector. A. Secondary sector. B. Primary sector. C. Service sector. D. Territory sector. Answer primary sector. The main aim of the reforms, glasnost and perestroika is options A. The revival of the German economy. B. The revival of the Russian economy. C. Liberation from colonialism. D. Accompanying the development of superpowers. Answer B. The revival of the Russian economy. Through a constitutional amendment, the words secular and socialist are included here in the Indian Constitution. A. Fundamental rights. B. Preamble. C. Fundamental duties. D. Schedules. Answer B. Preamble. In Germany, this was established through the Enabling Act. A. Directory rule. B. Rule of people's representatives. C. Dictatorship. D. Democracy. Answer dictatorship. The reason for using symbols in the elections is A. To reduce elections related expenditure. B. To overcome the problem of unemployment. C. To overcome the problem of illiteracy. D. To overcome the problem of poverty. Answer to overcome the problem of illiteracy. National Voters' Day is celebrated on A. 26th January. B. 5th June. C. 25th January. D. 10th December. Answer 25th January. The northern edge of Deccan Plateau. A. Satpura Range. B. Neelagiris. C. Himalayas. D. Western Ghats. Answer A. Satpura Range. This coast remains mostly dry during southwest monsoon season. A. Malabar. B. Konkan. C. Coromandel. D. Canara. Answer C. Coromandel. The main force of Chipko movement was A. Men. B. Women. C. Children. D. Farmers. Answer women.